Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Canadian format CV and cover letter. First, understand that Canadian employers prioritize skills and achievements directly relevant to the role. Your CV should be concise, ideally no more than 2 pages long. Crucially, omit personal details such as age, marital status, or photographs. Always use clear, professional language and powerful action verbs to describe your experience. This approach helps you stand out effectively. When structuring your Canadian CV, start with a compelling summary or objective that highlights your key qualifications. Next, detail your work experience in reverse chronological order, showcasing your most recent roles first. It is vital to quantify your achievements using specific numbers and percentages whenever possible. Finally, clearly list your education, relevant certifications, and a dedicated skills section to demonstrate your capabilities. Now, let's master the Canadian cover letter. Always tailor each letter specifically to the job and company you are applying to, showing genuine interest. Try to address the hiring manager by name. A little research goes a long way. Clearly highlight how your unique skills and experiences directly align with the job requirements. Remember to keep it concise, ideally 1 page, structured into 3 or 4 focused paragraphs. Before submitting, meticulously proofread both your CV and cover letter for any grammatical errors or typos. A fresh pair of eyes can be incredibly helpful. Consider asking a trusted friend or mentor to review your documents for clarity and impact. Always save your final Canadian CV and cover letter as PDF files to maintain formatting. Finally, ensure you submit your complete application well before the stated deadline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.